Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner and it opens as the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the rear camera and the selfie camera settings. In both we have photo size option, as you can see. And for example, let me pick the rear camera size, so we can change here the ratio connected with the resolution. And as you can see now we have 4:3 ratio. This is how it looks like, connected with 16 megapixels, which is recommended, or 12 megapixels. This is how to change this. When we pick 16 and 9, this is how it changes here. And we have connected the resolution 12 and 1 megapixel, which is recommended, or 8 and 3 megapixels, which is not recommended here. And also when I change this, the background of the camera has changed, so this is how looks this one ratio. And we have also here 9 and 5 to 9 ratio connected with 9 and 9 megapixel resolution and 6 and 8 megapixel resolution. So this is how it works, and this is the full screen ratio of this camera, so this is how it changes here. And of course we can go back easily to 4:3, which is recommended with 16 megapixels. The same thing happens in the selfie camera, so when we tap on this we can manage the same ratios, but this is connected with different resolutions. So 4:3 we have with 25 megapixels resolution or 6 megapixels resolution, which is recommended here. 16 and 9 is connected with 18 and 7 megapixels or 4 and 7 megapixels resolution, and 19 and 5 to 9 is connected with 15 and 3 megapixels resolution, or recommended 3 and 8. So this is how it works and this is how it changes. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.